So this is the Eachine EC09, little 1/20th scale 4-wheel drive RC, powered by a 180 brushed motor, a 5-wire servo for the steering, and inside this little box is the receiver ESC combo. It has friction shocks, which I expect this to be a little bouncy. The 3.7 volt, 750 milliamp hour lithium ion batteries go in on the bottom. It does come with front and rear ball bearings in the hubs. Enough of the tech talk. Let's test this truck out. So the EC09, so it does come 4-wheel drive and it does come proportional. Let's check out. And it does have proportional steering, so let's check out how good that servo is. And it's a little twitchy, but it is proportional. Can't complain there. This was only $25. Already it exceeds my expectation. It's pretty fast for just having a brushed 180 motor. It slides around on this floor pretty good. It's like a little drifter. I'm curious how fast it is. Let's take it out and do a little speed test. Now, I usually use my GoPro for this, but I'm just gonna use my phone. I'm gonna put it up on the screen. We'll see how many miles per hour we can get out of this. So it looks like I got 16 miles an hour. Let's try that in kilometers. "27 kilometers per hour. Not a bad little speed run there. So not a bad speed, 27 kilometers an hour. They didn't advertise a top speed on this, but this is a rebranded, this is Eachine's version of the Feiyu FY15. The Feiyu FY15 did claim 25 kilometers an hour, which we exceeded that by 2 kilometers an hour, and that was not even a real good speed run. Plus I had the weight of the phone on here, so this might even actually be a little faster than 27 kilometers, which is still impressive. I may have to do a little brushless conversion here, see what I can come up with. Now the brushless motor will probably shred the spur gear in there because it is plastic, but hey, why not see what kind of speed we can get out of this by putting a brushless in there? So I did bring a ramp, and I'm gonna try and jump this arm. See how high I can put this arm that I can clear. Do a little bit of high jumps here. Now this ramp isn't too wide, so I'm not gonna be able to like really fly up on it. Let's do a little practice run here. Hey, not bad. Although you did hear it like slam on the chassis. Oh. This truck is so fun, so fun. Let's put this up a little higher. Okay, now we have a little bit of height here. Now we have a challenge. Oh, barely made it over, but I didn't hit that ramp. Uh-oh. Oh no, I can't turn. Uh-oh, I think I broke it already. Okay, we got it, we're back. All I had to do, I had to turn it off, turn it back on, rebind it, and good to go. Okay, let's up this just a little bit. I don't think it's gonna clear it. I was barely clearing it before. Let's move this back. All right, let's try. Oh, try again. Oh, I cleared it. That's pretty high. There's no way. Oh, I almost, if I would have had a little more speed, I would have had it. All right, we got to get this. Oh, 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 I got over it. Oh, I'm so close, I don't want to stop. There it is. I made it. That was a little test run of the EC09 from Eachine, and I must say, I'm pretty happy with this. For only 25 bucks, 25 bucks for this little basher, and it's pretty awesome. It's fast. It obviously can take a bit of a beating, as you saw. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so you can join me when I check out the next Ready to Run RC.